For name of business, our business start on 4 March 2021. Maness Cafe and Bakery is a food and beverage business. The Maness Cafe and Bakery sell various types of desserts such as cake, bread, cookies, and several types of drinks. Our business name is in conjunction with what we sell. Prior to the establishment of this company, the owner had gained knowledge and equipped themselves with skill related to the preparation, manufacture, and decoration of cake and bread from the experience of courses in several cake shops.
Next, I will continue to present about the nature of business. The nature of the Maness Cafe Bakery business is product and service. We trust Malaysia has the ability and potential to be a market leader in this field. Vision of this business is to achieve our goals of becoming the most successful cafe and bakery business. We will adhere to the value of integrity, quality, service, and relationship development. Mission of this business is to serve with honor and work hard with passion for bringing the Maness Cafe Bakery vision to life and fulfilling the defined goals. Then the objective. First, we are learning organization that continually developing and innovating to satisfy customer, employee, system, and community needs. Second, we are just honest, ethical, and joyful. Third, we are provide high quality cakes in an authentic environment. And last, we appreciate our customers and aim to suit their needs.
Business organization structure. Maness Cafe and Bakery have a functional structure. We are not a big company, so it has been structured because we can group job according to function. It encourages cooperation among themselves. When people who perform similar job are grouped together, they can learn from observing one another and thus become more specialized and perform at a higher level. The organizational structure for Maness Cafe and Bakery. For manager is the responsibility is manage the operation and activity of the company. For assistant manager is to ensure the smooth running of the operation, administration, finance, and marketing of the business. For cake baker is to prepare the ingredient to make cake. For bread baker is prepare the ingredient to make bread. For water maker is receive and execute booking, introduce and diversify existing product release. For cashier is manage sale and receipt. For dishwasher is maintain cleanliness and wash equipment which have been used.
Product and service of a Maness Cafe Bakery serve wide range of cakes such as chocolate cake, red velvet cake, vanilla cake, Oreo cake, cheesecake, and many more. Next is cookies. There are various types of cookies that customer can get at our restaurant, which is chocolate chip cookies, shortbread cookies, macaron cookies, biscotti cookies, smile cookies, and many more. We also offer drinks. Maness Cafe Bakery offer drinks such as cappuccino, latte, americano, cold brew, frappuccino, cafe mocha, chocolate, and many more. 8 strategic decision of operation management. First one is design goods and services. The variety of product provided to customers so that our customer can feel a sense of satisfaction. Maness Cafe Bakery become involved in product or service design is because to stay competitive in providing new product or services. Furthermore, instead of shrinking, our bakery aims to develop new goods and or services. Maness Cafe Bakery improve product using product decision, product design, product strategy option, and product life cycle. By using that, Maness Cafe Bakery can develop a new product and presenting a good quality and services that will able to satisfy and attract customer. Product and services development is very important in an effort to satisfy the customer and translate the customer desire into a target plan.
Next, I will continue to present about the managing quality. There are certain issues experienced by Maness Cafe Bakery connected to quality management and its solution. For the problem of managing quality, first is supply chain issue. Supply chain issue include records management, cost management, and trust and integrity. Due to the complex supply chain, Maness Cafe Bakery has difficulty taking responsibility to product quality. The second is fund shortage. Maness Cafe Bakery has attempted several techniques to ensure its cakes are tasty and enjoyable. Maness Cafe Bakery approach is to improve product quality. Operation manager face this difficulty while trying to attract consumer. The third is time-based rule. Maness Cafe Bakery struggle has new law affect product quality and safety. It will inspire Maness Cafe Bakery employees to learn the latest standard and work together to ensure product quality and safety. And then for suggestion on problem of managing quality, first is direct communication with customer. Operation managers must provide customer with healthy, secure, high quality product and services. Therefore, it's important to give a wide selection of Maness Cafe Bakery cakes option to client to assess the quality for themselves. Next is make sure there are enough funds. Maness Cafe Bakery operational management should avoid a shortage of money to increase product quality. Managers should set aside money to improve quality product. The last is control and enforce the law. For control and enforce the law, all employees must comply with all relevant rules and regulations and work to enhance product quality and safety.
Today I need to present about the process and capacity design. One of the way to achieve the company goals from an operation management perspective is through a process strategy in the content of process and capacity designs. Process consists of all the operation required to produce a product. Maness Cafe and Bakery process design and capacity is accomplished by considering internal business process and target facility capacity. The company process is very efficient, as can be seen in the cafe that Maness Cafe Bakery managed to keep the cafe situation is always orderly even when during peak hour. Maness Cafe and Bakery also improved the cafe by installing a good music, and the cafe design is to look aesthetic. Cafe also provide in every corner of the cafe where all customers can take picture while enjoying coffee and cake. This aesthetics design is also the focus of many local customers to make this Maness Cafe and Bakery a quiet place to rest after a day work.
The location strategy, being at the right place at the right time, is crucial to a company's success because company yielding and general performance are typically influenced by location. It helps company to maximize profit while avoiding expenditures and risks. Second, location selection for a plant may be the most crucial and hardest consideration for an effective and efficient supply chain. The site of a plant will not change due to the changes in client needs, transportation costs, or component pricing. Third, Maness Cafe Bakery will expand the market and service provided to places that are focus of many such as carnival or entrepreneurship expos. Fourth, companies considering capital appropriations for the site often assess a variety of numbers and qualitative factors such as equipment costs, tax system, currency rates, and others. For the layout strategy, first, according to the item processing pathways, item flows are assigned to machines. So, because the rotating heuristic between the center layout design and product machine project, sub-problem ends with local optima, we propose a perturbation approach based on project decision. Next, we are choosing a retail layout to arrange the space and furniture so that it looks more orderly and tidy. The choice of this type of layout is indeed appropriate for the type of business we run. And next, for customer purchasing decisions are influenced by how they connect with products. Retail location must address fundamental strategy or concept, track customer response to any strategies employed, and make a change to increase sale. Lastly, the interior retail store layout has two important components, which is store design that focus on floor layout and space management, and second one is customer flow that focus to understanding of consumer and interact with item depending on the shop layout. So the objective of this layout strategy is the primary goal of plan architecture is to increase efficiency and employee satisfaction by boosting production while reducing production cost to minimum.
For this slide, I will present about human resources. In this human resource, 3 strategies have been used by Maness Cafe Bakery. The first strategy is labor planning. In this strategy, Maness Cafe Bakery uses a constant whole employment to maintain a trained workforce and ensure that the termination of employment and unemployment costs are kept to a minimum. The second strategy is the work schedule. Maness Cafe Bakery took the initiative to use the flex time method because it can make the cost become more flexible and can improve the quality and satisfaction of every job done. Therefore, work schedules for the employee will become more flexible to maintain other responsibilities outside of work. The last strategy is job classification and work rules. Maness Cafe Bakeries create job classification and work rules so that the employees will become more sensitive and responsible when performing a job. Next, the second slide is related to job design, which is very important for workplace motivation because well-designed work can encourage positive behaviors and build a strong foundation for the employee success. 3 things that have been highlighted in this job design, namely job specialization, motivation, and incentive system, and also psychological components. All of 3 things are more focused on ways to make employees become more motivated and make a psychological trick to employees for always produce a quality work. The next slide is scheduling. Maness Cafe Bakery chooses to use the Gantt chart in organizing the schedules of each of its employees. The Gantt chart below show the project timeline for Maness Cafe Bakery, which includes scheduled and completed work overtime. The last slide is a sequencing job. As it can be seen in the data above, Maness Cafe Bakeries prefers to assign jobs based on the earliest due date (EDD) because Maness Cafe's bakeries business always prioritize jobs with the earliest due date.
So today I'm going to present about maintenance. Maintenance an important component of a functioning production. It helps companies maintain their resources while controlling time and cost to ensure maximum efficiency of the manufacturing process. The process of maintenance management can be broken down into a 4-step loop, which is controlling, planning, organizing, implementing. So in a Maness Cafe and Bakery refers to organizing to manage their cafe. The terms such as dividing up the work, arranging resources, forming maintenance crew, and coordinating activities to perform maintenance tasks are handled by management teams, which is a manager and assistant manager. Every worker given guidance to make any repair all existing machine in that cafe. It happen any normal damage, so it doesn't waste time and energy outsiders. For the conclusion, as operation management, we have learned how to manage stock properly from any position to handle Maness Cafe and Bakery. You have to research and work on your idea. It is a must to research and work on your idea. When you magically had an idea, work hard on researching more about that and develop that idea to be crucial for your future ahead. Next, to be an operation management, you have to surround yourself with a team that inspire you. The people you choose to surround yourself with will have a great impact on you, on the way you think, act, and feel on daily life. With more support, you will be able to keep up your confidence in decision making to manage Maness Cafe and Bakery.